Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to add a service charge on Square. First, open Google Chrome on your device and search for Square. Next, click on the first link that appears in the search results. Once the Square website opens, click on My Account in the top right corner. Now select Dashboard to access your account settings and features. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, click on Items and Orders. Then select Items from the menu. Now, click on Service Library to view or add services. To add a new service charge, click on Create Service. Here, you will need to enter the name of the service. Next, add a description that explains what the service includes. If you would like, you can also drag and drop an image to represent the service. Now enter the location where the service is offered and set the price. Then, specify the duration of the service. You can also create multiple variations of the same service, such as different pricing options, durations, and more, depending on your needs. Afterward, make sure to review the advanced settings to fine-tune any additional details. Finally, click on Save in the top right corner to confirm everything. As you can see, the service charge is now added to your account. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.